Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete an old Facebook account that you can't access. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Facebook application on my mobile phone. And let's say I'm going to delete my second account on Facebook, but I already forgot the password, so I can't access that account. So guys, if you face the same problem, I recommend you to report the Facebook account you want to delete. You can go to the search menu and you can go to the search bar and type in the name of the account you want to delete. This is my second account and I'm going to report it to Facebook. We can click on these three dots to report account. Select report profile here and you can choose either something about this profile or a specific post here. We have two options, but you can choose this one. So you can report the account, not just a specific post. If you choose this one, maybe Facebook will only delete a specific post from your account, not delete your Facebook account. So you can choose this option and hopefully Facebook will delete your old Facebook account you can't access. Okay, and you can choose the reason why you're reporting the profile or the account. And I'm going to choose this one, pretending to be someone. And let's say that this profile or this account pretending to be me. So I'm gonna select me. Okay, and now the report has been sent to Facebook, and now the report is being reviewed by Facebook. That if they accept your report, they will automatically delete your old Facebook account that you can't access. Okay, and here are the other steps we can take. We can block, unfollow, or we can report it again to Meta for review, and we can unfriend it as well. And I'm going to choose this one and click on done. And basically we just need to wait until the Facebook accept our report, and I hope they will delete your old Facebook account. Okay guys, and that's all the way to delete old Facebook account that you can't access. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!